73% of Americans are making money mistakes right now that guarantee they'll stay broke. And here's the kicker. Most of them have no idea they're even doing it. I'm about to expose 7 money habits that are silently destroying your wealth in 2026. And if you recognize yourself in even one of these, you need to fix it immediately. Let's dive in. Habit number 1, obsessive budgeting. Now wait, before you click away, hear me out. I know everyone says you need a budget, but there's a dark side nobody talks about. Studies in 2026 show that people who micromanage every single penny actually save less money than people with simple spending systems. Why? Because budget burnout is real. You spend 3 hours tracking whether you spent $4 or $5 on coffee. Then you get so exhausted you give up entirely and blow $300 on impulse purchases. Sound familiar? The fix? Automate everything. Set up automatic transfers to savings the day you get paid. Use the 50-30-20 rule as a framework, not a prison. Pay yourself first, then spend guilt-free within your limits. Your budget should take 15 minutes per month to maintain, not 15 hours. If it's more complicated than that, you're sabotaging yourself. 73% of detailed budgeters quit within 3 months. Habit number 2, death by subscription. And this one is absolutely brutal in 2026. The average American now spends $4,200 per year on subscriptions. Streaming services, meal kits, fitness apps, cloud storage, gaming passes, music platforms. They're designed to be invisible. $11 here, $15 there. It adds up to financial death. Here's what makes it worse. 82% of people underestimate how much they spend on subscriptions by at least 50%. You think you're spending $60 a month. You're actually spending $120. Right now, pause this video. Open your bank statements. Count every single recurring charge from the last 3 months. I guarantee you'll find at least 3 subscriptions you forgot about. The average person finds $240 in forgotten subscriptions when they do this exercise. That's $2,880 per year you're throwing away for $1,200 per year in subscriptions. Habit number 3, paying the convenience tax. Food delivery, rideshare for short distances, expedited shipping, pre-cut vegetables, single-serve everything. You're hemorrhaging money for minor conveniences. A $20 meal becomes $35 after delivery fees, service charges, and tips. That's 75% more expensive. Do that 3 times per week, and you're wasting over $2,000 annually. I'm not saying never use these services. I'm saying recognize the true cost. Every convenience charge is money that could be compounding in your investment account instead. Choose intentionally. Here's a rule that changed my life. If the convenience costs more than 20% extra and it's not an emergency, you don't buy it. Simple as that. Habit number 4, lifestyle inflation. This is the silent killer of high earners. You get a raise and immediately upgrade your life to match. Bigger apartment, nicer car, more expensive restaurants. In 2026, researchers found that people making $100,000 have the same financial stress as people making $50,000 because they both spend everything they earn. Your income doubled, but your savings stayed flat. Here's what wealth builders do differently. When they get a raise, they save at least half of the increase. You get a $3,000 raise per year? $1,500 goes straight to investments before you even see it. This one habit separates people who build generational wealth from people who stay on a hamster wheel forever. Because compound growth doesn't care about your fancy car. It cares about consistency. Habit number 5, analysis paralysis with investing. You spend months researching the perfect investment strategy, reading forums, watching videos, comparing brokerages, and you end up doing nothing. Meanwhile, time is the most powerful factor in building wealth. Every month you wait costs you thousands in future returns. A 25-year-old investing $500 monthly until retirement will have over $1 million. Wait until you're 35 to start. You'll have less than half that amount investing the same monthly amount. 10 years of waiting just cost you $600,000. Let that sink in. $600,000 lost to overthinking. The solution? Done is better than perfect. Open a retirement account today. Choose a target date fund or total market index fund. Set up automatic contributions. Congratulations, you're now beating 90% of people your age. You can optimize later, but you can't get back lost time. Start imperfectly today rather than perfectly never. This is the difference between retirement at 60 and working until you're 80. Habit number 6, playing the comparison game. You see friends buying houses, taking luxury vacations, driving new cars. So you feel pressure to keep up, even though you have no idea what their real financial situation is. Plot twist. Research from 2026 shows 61% of people posting luxury lifestyle content are carrying consumer debt. They're funding Instagram moments with credit cards at 23% interest. That friend with the beach vacation could be maxing out cards. The coworker with the luxury car might be a 7-year loan at brutal interest. You're comparing your reality to everyone else's highlight reel. 61% posting luxury are in debt. Here's your new mantra. Wealth whispers, debt screams. Real millionaires in 2026 drive 10-year-old Toyotas and take modest vacations. They're building net worth, not Instagram feeds. The only comparison that matters is you versus past you. Are you saving more this year than last? Building more investments? Reducing more debt? That's the only scoreboard that counts. Habit number 7, ignoring small leaks. You focus on big purchases while small recurring expenses drain your wealth. $8 coffee daily, $12 lunches, $15 impulse buys at checkout. Individually? No big deal. But run the math. $8 daily for coffee is $2,920 per year. That's not coffee money. That's a maxed out Roth IRA contribution. Invest that coffee money for 30 years at average market returns. You're looking at over $270,000. Your daily latte just cost you $250,000 in retirement wealth. $270,000 in coffee. I'm not saying never enjoy life. I'm saying be intentional. Make coffee at home 4 days per week. Treat yourself one day. You just saved most of that money while keeping the enjoyment. Small leaks sink ships, and small expenses destroy wealth. Audit your recurring small purchases this week. You'll be shocked what you find. Now here's what you need to do right now. If this video helped you identify even one broke habit you need to fix, smash that like button and subscribe to Operation Wealthy. We drop new money mastery videos every single week. Pick one habit from this video, just one, and fix it this week, not next month, not when life gets less busy. This week, automate your savings. Cancel those subscriptions. Start that investment account. Because here's the truth. Small changes compound into life-changing results. That subscription you cancel today, that's your emergency fund in 6 months. That investment you start now, that's your retirement in 30 years. 73% of people will watch this video and do nothing. Don't be part of that statistic. Be the person who takes action. Your future self is counting on the decisions you make today. You now know the 7 habits keeping most people broke in 2026. You know the fixes. You have the knowledge. What you do with it determines whether you build wealth or stay stuck. The gap between broke and wealthy isn't luck or income. It's habits. And starting today, you're choosing wealthy habits. Now, go fix that one thing. I'll see you in the next video.